Hey, you! What? Dancing? He's dancing again? To keep an eye. It's really scary. Oh, wow. And la. Seriously. No, Jimmy Rooster is... Jimmy, go! Not again. Me? No. Oh, he's sending lots of love. Hello everyone, this is Mira from Effective English, and today we are going to read a story about Jimmy the Rooster. And we are going to look at Jimmy Rooster's busy day. I wonder what he is up to every single day. You want to find out? Jump in with me. Let's begin. Oh, look at that. What time is it? What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. And what is happening now? Sun is rising on the farm. Sun is rising on the farm. It's 6 o'clock and sun is rising on the farm. I bet Jimmy the Rooster is up already. Let's see. Oh, Jimmy. Okay. What time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. And what is Jimmy doing? Is he up already? No. Jimmy Rooster is sleeping at 7 o'clock. Hey, Mr. Jimmy, wake up. Everybody, let's shout. Jimmy, wake up. It's time to wake up. It's 7 o'clock. Okay. Yes, it's... What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. And what is Jimmy Rooster doing? Oh, he's exercising. So Jimmy Rooster is dancing. He's dancing and la, and he's singing. That's right. This is very good. Very nice, Mr. Jimmy. Jimmy Rooster is dancing and singing at 8 o'clock. That's correct. Let's see what's next. Let me just click again. What time is it now? It's 9 o'clock. Hey, Jimmy! What? Jimmy Rooster is sleeping. Again? Hey, Jimmy! That's impossible! It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Wake up, Jimmy! It's no time for sleep. Oh, thank you, Jimmy. What time is it now? It's 10 o'clock. And what is Jimmy doing? Jimmy Rooster is skateboarding. Jimmy Rooster is skateboarding. He is skateboarding. He's wearing a green cap. He's ready for skateboarding. Very nice. Good on you, mate. Oh, wow! Rooster, Mr. Rooster! It's 11 o'clock and Jimmy Rooster is still skateboarding. Wow! Amazing! Amazing, Mr. Jimmy. That's what we call determination. Jimmy Rooster is determined to practice skateboarding. I think he loves to skateboard. How about you? Do you know how to skateboard? Do you like skateboarding? I think he does. He's determined, really determined. Look at his face. Seriously. It's 12 o'clock and Jimmy Rooster is sleeping. Again? Seriously, Mr. Jimmy? That's impossible! How many times are you going to go to sleep? Something is wrong with Mr. Jimmy. Okay, now we're talking. It's 1 o'clock. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. And Jimmy Rooster is eating some seeds. Yes, birds like to eat seeds. Never give bread to birds, remember. So birds like to eat seeds. And Jimmy Rooster is eating seeds. I bet he was really hungry after skateboarding, right? Okay, enjoy your meal. What time is it now? What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock right now, and Jimmy Rooster is taking a walk. He's taking a walk. I wonder where Jimmy is going. What do you think? Where is Jimmy going now? He's taking a walk. Jimmy, where are you going? Where is Jimmy now? Jimmy is in the forest. Jimmy is in the forest. And what time is it? It's 1, 2, 3. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. And Jimmy Rooster is resting. Jimmy Rooster is resting in the forest. But something, look, there's something there. You see it? It's really scary. We have to tell Jimmy that he has to go. Jimmy! Go! Go! There's something scary in the trees. Jimmy, go! Go, Jimmy! You have to run away. It's way too scary in the forest. Is he gonna go? Or is he gonna stay in the forest? Let's find out. Oh no, yes. He listened to us and now it's 4 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 o'clock and Jimmy Rooster is picking flowers. Jimmy Rooster is picking flowers. Jimmy Rooster likes flowers and he's picking some daisies. And look, Jimmy Rooster is holding one of the daisies in his beak. In his beak. And look, who is sleeping on this flower? Who is it? Is it a fly? No. It's a bee. A little bee is sleeping on the daisy. Right, okay, so Jimmy Rooster is picking flowers. Do you like flowers? Do you like to pick flowers? Maybe you can give flowers to your mommy. You can give flowers to your daddy. Oh, what time is it now? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 o'clock. And Jimmy Rooster is doing something very educational right now. What is he doing? He is reading a book. But he's got a friend with him. And who is that? Do you know what this little worm is called? It's a bookworm. That's right, it's a bookworm. A bookworm is reading a book together with Jimmy. And what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. That's right. They are reading together at 5 o'clock. Well done. Reading is very good for you. Do you like reading? Are you a bookworm? Do you know what it means when I call you a bookworm? So a person who is a bookworm is a person who loves to read a lot. So basically this person eats the books as if, right? Okay, so bookworm and Rooster, Jimmy Rooster are reading books at 5 o'clock. Okay, good on you. Very nice. Jimmy, not again. Honestly. Honestly, that's too much sleep, honestly. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock and Jimmy Rooster is sleeping. Not again! Jimmy! That cannot be true. How much can you sleep? That's ridiculous, Jimmy. And there, look, Jimmy is sleeping and there's a little snail walking as if on Jimmy. Hey, mister, wake up. Oh, Jimmy is up at 7 o'clock in the evening. And it's 7 o'clock and what is Jimmy doing? You see those little hearts? These are hearts. And Jimmy is, he's sending lots of love. Jimmy is sending lots of love to you guys at 7 o'clock. But I think it's actually time for bed, is it not? What do you think? Oh, see? Look at Jimmy. And Jimmy is looking at you now. You. Oh, yes, that's right. Hey, you. It's 8 o'clock. Time for bed, Mr. or Mrs. Okay, it's time for bed. So you have to now go to bed. How about Rooster? Do you think it's time for him to go to bed? Or maybe he slept too much. What do you think? So it's 8 o'clock and it's time for you to go to bed. How about Jimmy? Look, Jimmy says like, me? No time for bed. No way. I have to keep an eye on the farm. So he wants to protect the farm against any baddies. Maybe against a fox that would like to steal some eggs. Yeah, so now Jimmy will not go to sleep because he will keep an eye on the farm. Very nice, that's very nice. Okay, yeah, he was sleeping a lot during the day, but now he's gonna keep an eye on the farm. Yeah. No, Jimmy, that's terrible. Jimmy, you were supposed to keep an eye on the farm. And what are you doing? What is Jimmy doing now? Is he keeping an eye on the farm? No, I'm telling you, he's not a very good rooster. Nah. A rooster is supposed to keep an eye on the farm, and he's not. He loves to sleep too much. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you enjoyed the story. And I'll see you in the next one. And please, please, please subscribe. Please. Bye.